Hey, what's up everyone? Here we are, hole 2. I wanted to put together this video here. This is not my favorite pin. Typically what I'll do is I'll just go down the cruiser, maybe even keep basic ball on for this specific pin. I like the wind to be high in this situation. Here you can see Route 7 here. And one of the things, I just wanted to kind of briefly touch on, you see I have Spectra 7, Route 7. The only way that you can get these is by playing up divisions. Okay, you have to play the highest tours to be able to win these in your chest. So if you're not playing, veteran on these red blue days and pro on the other days, you have no possibility at these Tour 5 clubs. So it is very crucial that you do play up in the highest divisions. And realistically, it makes no sense to really drop down if you think about it, because rookie, veteran, and pro, they all have the same tee box. And the difference in wind is usually 3 or 4 miles per hour from, rookie all the way up to pro. So there's really not a lot of value in playing down. And not to mention, you're playing for worse chests. Instead of it being a Tour 5 chest, when you play down, you're going to get a Tour 4, Tour 3s. Like, you can never win Tour 5 cards playing down. So never a good thing to play down, especially if you don't have to. Now, like I mentioned, we do want to get this wind up specifically. So I'm just going to go basic on this one. And what I'll typically do is I'll pick a spot. I know that it'll kind of try to roll out, and I'm thinking somewhere around here. This is kind of the spot that I want, where the crosshair is pointed. So what I'll typically do is I'll try to focus on that spot, turn my guide, and then, it's somewhere in the ballpark of this. Full backspin. And what we're going to do is we're just going to treat this as I've already moved, what's that look like? 6.2 rings, give or take. Let's just say I've moved 6.2 rings already where the target is. So at 6.2, first off, we're going to go 9.7. I usually max out around 1.3-ish on this club. But with it being at the min line, I'm thinking more in the 1.4 range. Maybe 1.38. Definitely got to go less rings here. So what's that, 7? And then this would be what? 6.9. So what I'm thinking here is, like I mentioned, I'm going to treat this as I've gone 6.2 rings, and we're just going to add on maybe 0.7. Very small adjustment. And of course, ultimate shot here is going to be the biggest key, because with basic ball, there's going to be no forgiveness. If you miss that ultimate shot, you're going to be 3-4 yards off for sure. And here you can see it's coming in. I have a reasonable chance with basic ball. I almost hold that. So, that's what you need to be thinking about when you're playing through these holes. You don't have to have the best equipment. You don't have to have the best balls. You just got to know, which clubs to play. Like, I didn't use the ball guide there to help me at all. Like, there was no advantage. Like, all I was doing is just max backspin and just trying to check it up by the hole. Hopefully it catches it. And I was just a little bit light on my ring adjustment, maybe by 0.1. But I'm going to split these up. I hope this is the front pin. That wind straight in the face on this. So, I'm going to break these up, and I'll see you guys momentarily here.